Hi, everyone. Dr. LauraAnn here. This week, we're exploring practitioner-based approaches from insight to impact, where we move beyond understanding research to applying it through real-world solutions that are credible, purposeful, and grounded in evidence. Have you ever felt certain that an idea for a product or a service, or maybe it's a need for a training program or a handbook that could solve a problem? And until you stopped and asked, where's the evidence? This week is about that moment when intuition meets investigation, when good ideas become great solutions because we take the time to search the matter out. In the collaborative synergy learning model, the experiential 70% of learning is the place where curiosity transforms into practice. Here, you are not just reading about ideas, but you're building something like a handbook, a training program, a workshop, or perhaps another practitioner-based solution. Collaboration comes alive as you engage real stakeholders, and reflection deepens as you test your approach against credible evidence. This is where research becomes leadership in action. The library is more than a collection of databases. It is a digital hub for discernment. It houses the collective wisdom of scholars and practitioners across generations and disciplines. As practitioner-scholars, we don't go with our gut or what something else or what someone else thinks. We lead with a library mindset. That means we confirm viability, we test logic, and we support every decision with sources that can be traced, tested, and trusted. For it is written in Proverbs chapter 25, verse 2, it is the glory of God to conceal a matter, but the glory of kings is to search out a matter. So when we study diligently in search of truth, we honor that call to seek truth before acting, and scholar practitioners lead not by assumption, but by informed conviction. So imagine your organization is struggling with employee turnover. Instead of writing a handbook based on opinion, you explore the credible databases for peer-reviewed research on engagement, communication, and organizational culture. You identify what worked elsewhere, you analyze the evidence, and you design a training program that's grounded both in scholarship and workplace experience. Then you invite your stakeholders to review it, pilot it, and provide feedback. Through this process, you model what the collaborative synergy learning model embodies, and that's curiosity that drives collaboration, collaboration that fuels reflection, and reflection that leads to meaningful change. This week, let your intuition guide your investigation to search out a matter. Validate your approach and lead with integrity and intellectual humility to develop real-world solutions that are credible, purposeful, and grounded in evidence. Every time you open a scholarly article, analyze a case study, or examine professional literature, you're refining the wisdom to act responsibly. And that is what it means to be a scholar practitioner, someone who turns insight into impact through disciplined inquiry and faithful reflection. So as you craft your practitioner-based proposal, remember, research is the seed, collaboration is the soil, and reflection is the light that helps your ideas grow into lasting transformation. Thank you. Please like and share the video, and I'll see you next time here on the Dr. LauraAnn channel.